crazy mother.
Hey Glow Beauties, I have a Dior Spring 2024 unboxing for you today to bring on the spring in the middle of the deep winter wonderland that some of us are still living in January. There's going to be a little surprises in here. And just before we get in, if you haven't already, why don't you subscribe and join the Glow fam? There's a whole bunch of glowy goodness over here. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. Hit the like button because it GPS's this video throughout the YouTube universe. And I will be including convenient links to all the products that I talk about in here, and they help you for research and for your shopping convenience. They are affiliate links. They do give back to my channel, and that's a lovely win-win for the both of us. So without further ado, let us get in. And look, even the box is ready for it. Isn't this beautiful? What a surprise. We have the red. This is the Chinese New Year. I am so happy and delighted that they included this for our shopping experience on Dior's website. And as you know, if you watched my previous video on a Dior unboxing, we now have the pleasure of the Dior Canadian website now. So Canadians can shop Dior online and get all the wonderful shopping experiences, except for the loyalty rewards program. We do get samples and things like that, but we don't have the loyalty rewards yet. So Christian Dior, come on now. Canada wants their loyalty rewards program too, okay? So this is the Chinese New Year box. Let's bring it up. Let's bring it in, shall we? And look at the beautiful ornate design on this box. What a treat, because you're going to get a little spoiler. I didn't buy any of the Chinese New Year launches, so I'm kind of surprised that they included the box, and what a delight that they did. Thank you very, very much, Dior, for doing that. So we're going to pull this out. It's going to be a little bit of a wiggle, so I may not be able to do that. Let's see whether we can do this on camera. And I was able to do it on camera. And then we have our invoice at the bottom. So we'll just leave that alone, shall we? That's not the important things. So this is the box, the beautiful, delightful box. And the hilarious thing is, I want to keep this box, but I have no shelf space. I gotta figure out something, because this is a beautiful box to reuse, and it's nice to be able to reuse these lovely boxes. Very convenient. And look what we got. This is beautiful. This is like a big, lovely, I believe this is like a big, lovely dust bag. Oh, isn't that lovely? So we have this, and again, it's the Chinese New Year design. Beautiful and ornate. We have it on the front and the back. Absolutely amazing. So let's see whether we can put it over here. And then we have this, which is, let's open it up. What does it say here? Set de lucky money envelopes. So these are lucky money envelopes. So we get 2 of them, and the beautiful Dior star that started it all up, because Christian Dior was into astronomy, and his first store that he wanted to get, he was walking down I believe it's the Champs-Elysees, and there was a star on the sidewalk, and right in front of that star that was on the sidewalk was a store for lease or purchase. It was a sign from the heavenlies, from God, that would be his first store, and that's what it was. Isn't that amazing? So the star is always a very important feature of Christian Dior. And look at these beautiful cards. Oh no, they're not cards, they're envelopes, so that you can put your lucky money and give it to family. Dior wishes you a happy Chinese New Year, and it's the year of the dragon, and I believe that means prosperity and good things. So the year of the dragon is strength and prosperity. And now I'm trying to find the opening to this envelope, and I can't seem to find it, unless this is just a card. Let's see. That might be just the card. Here we go. This is the envelope. There we go. And then we have the envelopes. Beautiful. So we're going to put these down here. So now, the piece de resistance, we are going to open this. You and me. I have not peeked. I have not cheated. So this is going to be new for the both of us. Let's see. Open it up here. Open it up here. I'm looking through the camera, so sometimes it gets a little awkward. And what is this? Oh my goodness, this is a beautiful Dior see-through mesh bag. This will be perfect for traveling because you can see everything, but it captures everything, and it's beautiful and pink, and it says Miss Dior embroidery, and it's right up my alley because I love pink. Oh, this is beautiful. Thank you. Now, what I love is the Dior packing, because this packing filler are these beautiful strips of packing paper that have the Dior imprinted on it, and I think that's a lovely special touch. I really, really like that. So now here we go. This is a little pouch, and it has the samples in it, and we get to choose, I believe it's 2 samples. The thing is, the US gets better loyalty things because they're on a loyalty rewards program. So with that, for the amount that I purchased, I should, if I was in the US, I would have gotten, there's like a cream, and then there's this other thing, and they're like deluxe sizes, where these are the more sample sizes, okay? So, but I would have qualified for the deluxe loveliness that they got, which I didn't get because I'm in Canada. This is the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer Gloss. So let's see what this one is. Is it going to be sheer? Or is it going to be in color? Oh, it's in pink. They are right up my alley. Hallelujah. I got the pink. Yay. And I love lip glosses. And Dior's are so good. And so Dior Addict Lip Maximizer Gloss in pink. Yay. Super happy about this. So, oh, we got the J'adore Parfum D'Eau, and this is water-based, but be careful, don't spray it on your clothing because it does have a little bit of a milky mist to it. It is beautiful, soft, and floral. It's a lovely, simple floral note, perfect for the summer, and it's the Eau de Parfum. And this way, because it's water-based, it's not going to age your skin. You can be happy and just spray it all over your neck and hands and know that you are not going to age your skin in any way with this. And what is next? Oh, and then we got the Prestige, Dior Prestige La Creme. You see, if I was in the US, I would have gotten the actual deluxe, you know, little tub of it. So this is a nice little pack. I wish, to be honest with you, I think for Dior, with the amount that I paid, I should have gotten like a 7-pack or I should have gotten a little jar of it, okay? As far as I'm concerned, for the amount I paid, I should have gotten a jar, not a little 1-pack. But anyway, this is what we got. We're working with it. And I love these because you can store lovely things. You can store your jewelry for traveling. You can store some of your little skincare, your minis. It's beautiful. You can gift it to friends and put little treats in there. So this is super useful. I love when they include these. Okay, so this is what we come here for. So what did I pick up? I picked up the Diorshow 5 Couleurs eyeshadow, high color eyeshadow wardrobe, and this one is the 123 pink organza, and this has, where is it made again? Made in France. So this is made in France, And these are the new reformulations. They're made from cornflower extract and pine oil extract. And I just heard, I don't know why they put it upside down. I would think it should go the other way. But anyway, so this is it. And cornflower extract apparently is very good for the eyes. It helps to depuff the eyes, take away dark circles. It's also great for sensitive skin. So cornflower is a very, very good. Cornflower water is very, very good for the skin. So this is what it looks like here. So this is the spring edition. Now, it's really out of context right now because it's the middle of winter. So when it comes spring, it becomes more in context. So here we go. Ooh! It's so pretty. But the thing is, the problem is when you get enamored with the prettiness, you sometimes get distracted from whether this is going to work for you and whether it's going to be practical, whether it's going to be wearable for your skin tone, for how you wear eyeshadows. And this looks like a very, very pastel-y formulation, very, very light. The Asian market is a huge, huge, huge market. And I have a feeling that Dior is really pushing for the Asian market. So they're straddling the North American and the Asian and catering a little bit more to the Asian. And that is why it is so light. This is one of their lightest launches that I've seen. Oh, I'm a little concerned. I thought it was going to be a little bit deeper from what I saw online. And yes, it was light online, but I did think it was going to be a slightly deeper than this. So we're going to see. This is really pretty though. But does it work for my knees, or is this going to look ashy on me? This is the $100 question. The beautiful etching is they're reminiscing on the patterning of the couture fabrics, and you can even see the stitching in the middle. So I love that little attention to details. Beautiful. But I have a feeling it may go very, very fast once swatched. These are beautiful colors. You do have to build it up a little bit, but the colors are beautiful and a lovely soft sheeny satin, all of them. There isn't a shimmer glitter in here, which is surprising because I do feel it does cater to a more an Asian market too. It straddles that market, and they usually do like a little bit of glitter. So this is beautiful and cool toned, and this color here is beautiful. It's very multifaceted because it's like a grayish color. It's taupey. It's a taupey purple with almost a little bit of hint of pink in there. It is a lovely, lovely color. And then I love this beautiful, almost ballet pink. And then this beautiful, cool tone, light pink. And then this one is like a champagne. And then you've got this beautiful, almost pewter white. It is not white, but like a light pewter color. Beautiful, gorgeous, especially if you build it up a bit. You can make it very, very ethereal, very whimsical. I do love it. This is what I was expecting. I just wished I didn't have to build it up as much as I do need to do. But nonetheless, absolutely beautiful. A lot of swatches online are lighter in tone because they're not doing a couple of layers. And the Asians love much lighter washes of color. So when they swatch, it tends to be a lot lighter. So you don't always get the true look of the shade as a result. So just remember that they do, in general, like to swatch a bit lighter. And of course, I like to swatch darker because my skin tone's darker. Here comes the next one. Is there anything else in there? No, there isn't. So it's this. So this is the next. Oh, and I forgot to mention that these are limited edition. They do come with the spring collection. There's two other eyeshadows that are not limited edition. They are permanent. So this one is 923 Popeline Peach. This is the peach counterpart to pink organza one. So yes, there are two permanent editions for the spring 2024 collection. One of them is MIMIROSE. That one came out. We don't have it here in Canada yet. And then there's another one that I have my eye on that I put my notification on. And a lot of people actually don't know about that actually exists, and that is the DIOR Dream. And that is a peach counterpoint to the MIMIROSE, and it looks more pigmented. Apparently, the MIMIROSE is actually even lighter than the pink organza, but the DIOR Dream one, the peach version, permanent edition, looks quite pigmented, and I definitely have my hands on that, my eyes on that. I wish I had my hands on it. I definitely have my eyes on that. So this is the Popeline Peach. This is pretty. This one looks a little bit more pigmented than the pink organza. So I put my notification to alert me when the DIOR Dream, the peach version of MIMIROSE, it does come out, and I really do hope it comes out in Canada. Looking forward to that. Look at this. Oh, it's beautiful. Yep, so this is it, and we are going to do some swatches. And this has 7 grams of product, which is 1.4 grams per pan. So here's the swatches. It's beautiful. This is like a peachy pink version. And as you can see, this is beautifully pigmented. This is this nice soft pigment. You're not going to get a lot of depth with this shadow, this eyeshadow. You're definitely not. This is going to be more of a whimsical, ethereal looking, very spring, summer, light, fresh look. This one does have the glitter. This is this one right here. This is this here. So this one has the glitter in it. So you're going to get a nice little kind of glittery topper with that. And I wish this had been a little bit deeper. So these are going to be the light lid colors. It's going to be very light on me. I'm going to have to really work with it. I do wish it was a little deeper, but it's in to have like a more kind of light, casual, airy-fairy type of look, and this is what brings it on. This is a very Asian aesthetic. The Asians are gonna love this. This really caters to them a lot. But it's very, very pretty, and I'm hoping that I can carry this off because it is pretty. It's very, very pretty. So this is my DIOR 2024 Spring Collection unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, because I definitely enjoyed it, and I love the wonderful surprises that I got with the Chinese New Year. I was definitely not expecting this, so it was quite a delight to be able to receive these delightful little additions to the unboxing, and I am very delighted with my eyeshadows. I do hope they work on me, so I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, do leave me a thumbs up, and that you're looking forward to spring as much as I am. I'm definitely looking forward to spring. Can't come soon enough, let me tell you. And if you enjoyed this video, why don't you leave a flower emoji in the comment section? Let everybody know. And are you going to be picking this up? Are you looking forward to spring as much as I am and wanting to really kind of fast forward spring with these beautiful spring collections? Do you have your eye on any other spring collections that you're looking forward to picking up? Let us all know in the description, not the description, the comment section below. Don't forget, keep on going and keep on glowing. I will. Bye.